Hello everyone, welcome to my page. Today we are going to solve a Java puzzle. On the screen, yeah, this is a small Java program which determines whether a number is odd or even. It has a class called findODD and two methods in the class. FindODD, which is a boolean method that returns either true or false, and the class has a main method which takes a number as an input and sends the number to the findODD method, and depending upon the result sent by the findODD, it's printing whether the number is odd or even. We are using a simple logic here. If we divide the number with 2, we are getting remainder. If we are getting remainder 1, then it's an odd number, and the rest are even. And try to pause the video now and try to find the fault in this code. Well, uh, this code works for three-fourth of the three-fourth of the total numbers, and it works perfectly for all positive numbers, but it won't work for all the negative numbers. Surprisingly, for half of the negative numbers, the code prints the wrong output. Let's check here. Let's execute. Yeah, first we will check with the positive numbers. We are sending 5. Yeah, it's printing correctly. Now check with the positive even. Yeah, it's printing as even. Now check with the negative numbers. First we will send the even negative number. Yeah, it's working for the even negative numbers. Now check with odd negative numbers. Oh, surprisingly, it's printing -5 as an even integer. Well, the code prints for all the odd negative numbers, it prints as an even number. It's because of the fault in this line. What's the fault in that line? Well, we are using the logic. If the number is divided by 2 and if the remainder is equals to 1, then it is odd. It's not. It means that for all the rest, if it's not equals to 1, then they are even integers. Yeah, well, it works for the positive integers, and it doesn't work for the negative integers. Yeah, it works on the paper, we can simply see, but when coming to the compiler, it catches everything. So when we pass -5, what's happening here? -5, it's getting divided by 2, and the remainder is -1, which conflicts here with 1. It means -1 does not equals to 1, so it returns false. So if it's false, it's going to else statement and printing number is even. So how to correct the code? Whenever we have the situation to decide something with a positive number or a negative number, or sometimes we use both positive and negative numbers, we simply avoid testing with positive and negative. We use the 0 here. Yeah, I'll make small modifications in the code. Please watch carefully. I'm changing here as 0. Now if it returns true, it means that those numbers are even numbers, right? So we'll change it here to even. Or So now what it prints for -5, it's odd. Yeah, now check with an even number here. Yeah, it's working perfectly with both of the negative numbers. Check with the positive numbers. Yeah, it's working for positive odd number. Check with the positive even number. Yeah, now it's working for all four types of numbers here. That's it. So the key is, whenever we have situations to test cases that deal with positive and negative numbers, use zeros. That's it. Thank you for watching my video.